Hi guys, this is my 28th video of our DBMS question series. So in this video I'm going to talk about the questions at 28. So let's start by reading the first question. What is the highest mark obtained in Sinhala literature in all term examinations of all the students of class 11B? Okay. Okay guys, this is the query for the question number 1 of the questions at 28. So let's read the query. I select the max mark from the student exam mark record table and I join student, class and subject tables by class ID, index number, subject ID. So then the condition is subject name is like Sinhala and class name is equal to 11B. Then let's execute the query and see result. Okay, we can see maximum mark for the Sinhala literature subject in 11B is 99. Okay guys, let's go to the question number 2. What is the highest mark and subject of Sachitra Wickramasinghe's first term subjects in all subjects? Okay, they are asking about this highest Sachitra Wickramasinghe's first term highest mark and the subject related to that highest mark. So let's write the query. Okay guys, this is the query for the question number 2. I'll select first name, subject name and the mark from the student exam mark record table and in a join student exam term class and also the subject tables. Then the condition is first name equal to Sachitra and last name equal to Wickramasinghe and the mark is joining by a subquery. Subquery is selecting the max mark from the student exam mark record table where the exam term is equal to first term and the first name of the student is equal to Sachitra. We get the first name because we added the student table 2 by an inner join. Then the last name equal to Wickramasinghe. So this is the query for the question number 2. Then let's execute the query and see result. Okay, you can see here is the result. First name equal to Sachitra, subject name equal to Sinhala language and literature and the mark is 86. So the subject which Sachitra got highest mark in the first term is Sinhala language and literature, then that mark is 86. So let's go to the question number 3. Question number 3 is find the name and mark of the students who scored between 70 and 90 marks in the mathematics subject in the first term examination. Okay, let's write the query. Okay guys, this is the query for the question number 3. So let's read the query. We select the first name, last name and mark from the student table, not the student table. Okay guys, this is the query for the question number 3. We select the first name, last name and mark from the student exam mark record table and inner join student exam term, class and subject tables. Then we make the condition term name equal to first name and the mark is joined by a subquery. The subquery is student exam mark record and mark is greater than 70 or mark is less than 90. So let's execute query and then see the result. Okay guys, you can see here are the people who got more than 70 marks for the first term and their names, also the mark are there. If you want, we can also add this name to confirm the term. Then let's execute the query again. Okay, you can see all the details are in the first term. Also we can add the last name of the student, last name. There is the last name also. Okay, we got the last name already, sorry. So then we can add this to here. Now it's clear. You can see first name, last name, term name and the mark. Then also we can add the subject name. Here you can see everyone's subjects are also now there. So this is the answer for the question number 3. And okay, they are asking about the subject 2. So let's add the subject name to here and subject dot, okay, let's write subject dot subject name is equal to, okay, mathematics. Okay guys, let's execute the query again. Okay, you can see here are the people who got above 70 and below 90 to the mathematics in the first term examination. So here the first name is the last name, term name, subject name and the mark. So this is the answer for the question number 3. Then let's go to the question number 4. Find the subject and mark with the highest marks obtained in mathematics and science subjects in Amanda Moses first term examination. Okay guys, this is the answer for question number 4. We select first name, last name, subject name and max mark from the student exam mark record table and in a joint student exam term, class, subject by index number, term ID, class ID and subject ID respectively. So after that we had the first name Amanda, last name Moses, and the first and the term name is first term. Subject ID is student exam mark record subject ID is joined by and subquery. The subquery is subject ID from the subject table, where the subject name is mathematics or maybe science. So let's execute the query and see result. You can see Amanda Moses mathematics 90 is the result. So let's get into the next question. Madar Vanasekara find the highest marks in mathematics and science and Sinhala language and literature in the second term examination. Okay, okay guys, let's execute this query and see the result. Okay, here you can see we got the result. This now Madar Vanasekara got highest mark for mathematics at the second term. That mark is 75. So this is the end of my question set 28. So let's meet in my question set 29 video. Thank you guys for watching.